Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start in Chrome, open the browser and go straight to Settings via the three-dot menu. Once in Settings, navigate to Appearance or Home depending on your version because the feed toggle can live in either. You're doing this now to avoid extra steps later. Make sure you're signed in if you want changes synced. Otherwise, this will affect only the local profile. Pause briefly to confirm you see sections like Home, New Tab, or Discover before moving to the next step. Next, locate the Discover or Articles for You option under New Tab or Content Settings. This controls the news feed. Toggle it off to stop suggestions appearing on the New Tab page. If you do not see a toggle, open Chrome, //flags and search for Feed, Discover, or NTP modules. Disable related flags and relaunch Chrome. Once done, relaunching applies changes. Make sure to check both profile and guest modes because feed settings can be profile-specific, so repeat if needed. Finally, restart Chrome and open a new tab to confirm the feed is gone. That completes the change. If articles still appear, clear cache and cookies because cached UI elements can persist. Go to Privacy right arrow clear browsing data, choose cached images and files, then relaunch. If issues remain, disable extensions one by one and verify enterprise policies via Chrome //policy, since managed profiles can enforce feeds. If none.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.